All right, I'm with Flated. We make inflatable truck toppers, rooftop boxes, and bed decks. Nice sleeping platform for the back of the bed. Brings you up 14 inches off of the deck of your bed, and then you have 10 inches of storage underneath. Our toppers roll down to a really nice size, only weigh about 50 pounds for about average. They run about $1,500 average as well. Super easy to get on and off, running cam straps to hold everything on. And so you can go ahead and unhook the topper really easily, go get your load of dirt, go to the dump, whatever you need to do, and then toss your topper back on for those camping trips or anything else you need to do.
What kind of material you guys use to make all your inflatable products?
So we use PVC drop stitch vinyl, which is this right here. We use 4-inch for our toppers, and then for our rooftop boxes and our storage boxes, we use 2-inch, which makes them pack up a lot nicer and a little bit smaller. Our rooftop boxes are really nice. They'll work on crossbars or right on any 4-door vehicle, right on the roof.
All right. And what is the average time to inflate like a truck topper?
Average time to inflate them, if you're doing it by hand and you're really going after it, you can get it up in about 15 minutes. If you're gonna use an electric pump, it'll take 20, kind of depending on how fast your pump is. But, that way you can walk away, go do whatever else you're doing, and come back and your topper's already inflated for you. And then install the first time is gonna take you probably half hour, 45 minutes, just to get used to how it fits and how it's gonna fit on your truck. After that, you can get it done in 15 or 20 minutes pretty easily.
And where can people find you?
You can find us at flated.com, FLATED.com.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.